Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, November the 1st, 2018. Now, just to remind you, if you want to follow me, if it's the first time you're seeing these videos, you can follow me at my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits, and do me a favor and hit this thumbs up if you get anything at all out of this video. Maybe drop in a comment, share it, maybe subscribe to it if you haven't already. And now let's go ahead and get into the markets and see how we close today. And we're going to go ahead and start with the Qs, and you can see here we closed right at highs, and we're resting right underneath the 20 moving day average, the SMA. Now the only problem is we do have a little pullback here after hours. Don't know if, and there it is. Apple had their report, and so far the market does not seem to like it. We'll go ahead and run through the FANG stocks real quick here as we go, and you can see here Facebook is pulling back as well, and after hours. Amazon had a nice day, pulling back a little bit after hours. Netflix closed near highs, pulling back a little bit. Google, kind of a doji kind of day, and just kind of, a very minor pullback. So, of course, what's happening now has no necessary indication on what might happen by morning. Now take a look at the spiders. You can see here we closed right at highs, and we are sitting here at this resistance level. So, right underneath the 20, and with this pullback after hours, it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow. The diamonds closed right at highs, and the same thing. We got a little pullback here in the after hours. Doesn't necessarily mean anything, but we'll have to wait and see. And the IWM Russell 2000 small caps, right underneath that 20 where it closed, and a minor pullback after hours as well. Now let's go ahead, jump into Holly and see how she did today. And Holly Grail had 25 trades, $1.10 profit, risk on profit 357. And we can see here the risk on her best trade was CAH, and that was a long trade, $1.03 profit. And her KAR was the best risk off trade, and you can see that right there. Holly 2.0 had 22 trades, 63 cents profit. Risk on profit, $1.95. Now we'll take a look here. MRNS Mighty Mouse was the strategy, was her best trade in the risk off. She made 75 cents. Had you carried on till the end of the day, you would have only made 39 cents. And LAZ was her best risk on profit, $1.01. So you can see where she got in. She got out at 42 cents because of a timed exit, but it went on. You would have made $1.01 had you carried through the end of the day. And if we take a look here at the Holly Neo, $1.61 profit on 8 trades, 37 cents risk off profit, and her best trade here was $1. It was a short downward dog on AMAG, and hit the target. She got out of it, and then as soon as it got out, it came back, and then it did go down one more time where you could have made some money and had a chance to get out, but had you held it till the end of the day, you would have lost 75 cents. And her best risk on trade was AMD, $1.55 profit. She made 89 cents on the actual trade. She got out because of a profit save. You can see it started pulling back here, and she got out, and then it continued back up. So that is the market and Holly update for Thursday, November the 1st, and I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.